My name is Pastor Joel Tsela here at Gancesi ICBC. I am the pastor in this church. We started here, it was September 2021. Naliqedza kwakhiwa lisonto. From there, solo siyakhonda siya fellowship. Every Wednesday we've got the prayer service. Then even Saturday at 12 noon, we've got our Bible study here. Then Sunday at 10 a.m. we've got our Sunday school for their fellowship. Then 11 a.m. the service starts, the whole church. Then at 1 p.m. we knock off. When we came here to counter for the church, it was around August 2021. And there was this violence. The people, some of them, they gang up against us that they don't want this church because it was near their church. And there was this warfare, I must say. So through the Mpagati, we were able to resolve those issues. But now everybody is at peace. The people love the church because they have seen what the church has come to do for the community, touching lives. The people now are getting water from the tanks that we received. So everybody is happy. We have received the clothes we have received. There is a preschool. The people, the children, they come for food. Now the people, they love the church. So actually here at Gancesi, it's a nice place, and we have seen God moving in this place, touching lives, because the people of this place, they have been, especially the youth, they have been so much into drugs. But through the preaching of the gospel, we have seen a lot of souls being saved.
Iyouth yalenzawo bayistikishe kuma-drugs kakhulu. Since kwase kufika lesonto ke bakhona ukufundisa bangene ku-spiritual, bakhonnecte esomveni, batinike isikhathi ngekte esomveni, bakhona ekuyekela loko lebese bakwenta loku kabi. My name is Dehlile Simelane. I am a member of this church. Ngi-praise team la somveni. Kufika kwalesonto lifike kwashintsha kakhulu impilo tethu. Nakimi lifike lashintsha. Bewumfuna engathanda isonto. Kwanele afika lesombo ngiyathanda isonto and ngiyakhula spiritually.
Gogo Nkambule saya kuye agula gogo. Angathi lo sebengakhona kusukuma. Safika samwashela, samcleanela nalabaleni njengoba vele ngihlala yedwa. Saclean ebaleni, wasitakala kakhulu. Wabuya watibongela kubazalwa. Wanikela wamangala ukuthi hawu uyaliqala sonto lelinjena.
We really appreciate the help from Challenge Ministries, I would say. The help that we are receiving as a church, because through the help we've been able to distribute clothes, like I said earlier on. We have been able to distribute rice packs, sanitizers. We really appreciate the help that we are receiving.